What's going on, guys? My name is Cayman and welcome to the channel where we have one goal: to help you increase your net worth. We like to do so through passive income, great investments, and most of the time a little bit of both. Let's see what we got going today. Today we are going to be looking at 5 dividend stocks you need to have in your portfolio before 2020. Whether they offer a high dividend yield rate or an incredible chance for growth, these are ones that you need to have in your possession. Again, keep in mind, these aren't in any particular order in terms of 3 through 5, but 1 and 2, in my mind, are the best investment chances we have going into 2020. So coming in at number 5, we have EPR Enterprises, or ticker symbol EPR for short. They own a massive amount of entities, including Topgolf, over 6 amusement parks where they're partnered with Six Flags, other amusement parks, and several ski resorts. They have an incredible area where they dominate their portion of the market. On top of this, they have a 6.75% dividend yield rate. This is an incredible source of passive income. They've been a fairly steady stock, but slightly tricky in the last few months. So this is for those who are looking to take a little bit more risk with their money, but still get an incredibly high yield rate in return. With that last one, I forgot to mention that they do pay monthly. So it's almost like you get paid more often, and you get paid more often. And coming in at number 4, we have Main Street Capital, or ticker MAIN for short. They offer a near 6% dividend yield rate, while offering still a great opportunity for those looking to dip their toes into passive investing, with shares costing only $43, quote, at the time of writing. It offers a great opportunity for newer or younger investors to dip their toes into the opportunities that passive income presents. They're an incredible company that offers debt and equity financing to lower and middle-sized companies with multiple approaches to presenting opportunities to clients. Not only poses a great opportunity for them, but for you as well. A company known and beloved by all, at least I hope that is the case for you that actually use them, is what is taking up our 3rd spot. AT&T, or ticker symbol T for short, offers an amazing 7% dividend yield rate. This is amazing. 7% on a very reliable, productive company that has an incredibly large foothold in their marketplace. With their cash flow statement leading the balance sheet in the right direction, they have still incredible room for growth and opportunity aside from what some experts think. You ever heard of that all-American industrial pride? Well, that's exactly what Stag Industrial is incredible at investing in. With great opportunities for both growth and passive income seekers, this creates a very special opportunity with a near 5.7% dividend yield rate and many experts loving their current position in their own marketplace. When you have other real estate investors, RIP, Toys R Us, going under and struggling, Stag Industrial is shining star among them. This is a stock that you need to look into, as many experts are projecting this as a heavy buy for at least several months going forward. If I were you, I would very much so look into Stag Industrial. Holding our number 1 spot on the list is, in my mind, and the mind of many experts and investors much smarter than myself, say is the best buy going into 2020. Having a dominant hold over the mid-range energy market and a fair value nearly double the price of the current stock and a 10% dividend yield rate. They are sexy just talking about them. Of course, I'm talking about Energy Transfer, or ET ticker for short. They're an incredible company that I myself have been invested in for countless years, and they have provided tenfold in terms of dividend return. They are an incredible company that is a major holding in natural gas, oil and gas. They dominate their marketplace. These guys are something you need to look into, people. I am telling you, this is the stock. You know, folks, some of the best components of these stocks is their affordability. These offer great chances for younger, newer, or returning investors just looking to make some more passive income. Gotta make that money work for you guys. These are the stocks to do so. With most of them trading under $40, This is an incredible opportunity for anyone. I mean anyone to get into. If my goal from this video is just to have one person start investing more so, it's a success, guys. It's a success. Look into these. It's almost like I'm trying to hint at something, that these are affordable for everyone. They offer great returns. You are wasting money if you're not investing into passive income. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. My name's Cayman, and here's to the next one.